What do you want to know about your car? Air intake filter. What is air intake filter? It looks very similar to commercial filters for vacuum cleaners and similar appliances. Air filters help the system by filtering dirt and other particles from the air. In doing so, the filters prevent contaminants from clogging up the air intake system and potentially damaging your car's engine. What does changing air intake filter do? Changing the air filter regularly helps prolong engine life because the air filter is designed to trap damaging dirt and debris that can damage internal engine parts such as the cylinders and pistons. Engine damage can occur from particles as small as a grain of salt and result in costly repairs. Can an air filter improve my car's performance? One of the main reasons engine air filters tend to reduce engine power is dirt. Simply replacing your engine air filter can increase horsepower and, in some cases, even improve mileage. Do air filters affect fuel economy? It has been scientifically proven that by simply replacing the air filter on a car, it's possible to get at least 10% better gas mileage. That's as good as saving 15 cents a gallon every time you fill up, all whilst helping to keep your engine in optimal condition. Will changing my air filter improve acceleration? A clean air filter will help your engine perform better. On newer cars, it can increase acceleration by as much as 11%, and on older cars it can improve mileage by as much as 14%. Does air filter affect torque? Can a dirty air filter affect fuel mileage? Less airflow can impact power, acceleration, and torque. In addition, failing to change your air filter can lead to other problems, including engine choking or even overheating because of a bad air-to-fuel ratio. Thanks for watching.